Well, this may be one of the next trees I work on. Picked this tree up about 3 years ago. Did a little bit of work had already been done on it. This, one of my students helped me with. This one too. But I have not done any work on this tree. So I think this is a good time to start styling it and see what we come up with. As you can see from the last clip, I finished cleaning up the nibari just where I can see it a little bit. This is going to allow me to explore this tree a lot more. And as you can see, do you see this right here? Let me take this off of here. That is a huge trunk chop. And I think I'm going to go work on the other side first and see what is actually usable deadwood. And then I'm probably going to carve this. Stay tuned. As I'm cleaning this out, it looks like, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, somebody worked on this. I don't know if this was natural. You know, it could have been. And we're already starting to get a little bit of where the juniper will start to slightly heal just the edges. So anyway, I'm going to clean this up and see what it's already starting to appear a lot more from what we had. Just a major definition between the lifeline and the deadwood. So on the bottom, which makes sense, you know, water rushes down, it's a little bit more rotted than on top. So I'm slowly pulling this out, and we're going to create a feature with this. As you can see, things are just slowly coming off, and like I said, I'm probably going to carve it from the back, but that carving may come all the way through. Okay, well, let's talk about what I've done so far in here. I've cleaned all this. My goal was not to really make a hole, but after removing all of this where it was a trunk chop and then the dead from the inside, there's a little bit of a hole, but the angle that I'm going to have it at, it's going to look nice. So anyway, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean this exterior. Is clean off the old flaky bark. And I'm going to use a dental tool. It's a great little tool. And I'm going to clean that all off, and then I'll get a toothbrush and do some additional cleaning before I even wire. All right, stay tuned.